I think the YMCA in general should continue its mission because it helped a lot of young people. We came here for the opportunity, we came here to learn. So which means very, very important and impactful in my life. So being here is giving me a lot of ideas for how I can build my future. My name is Nadej Kamel Manga. I come from Senegal, West Africa. I grew up in a kind of jungle. It's not a jungle, but it's in the village. And so we were surrounded by nature, and I love nature, so I love farming. I came here at the YMCA of the Rockies because I was drawn for its mission, which is helping people to grow, to develop themselves. I made the decision because I wanted to achieve the objective that I had. So if I go back home, I'm sure 100% that I will find a job or I will be able to create my own business and run it. Today in general, young people are facing employability. A lot of people, they want to work, but they don't have the right qualifications. For example, here in the YMCA of the Rockies, so it doesn't matter if you have experience or not, you can get the opportunities to get experience here to work. The people here in the YMCA, they help me to understand the importance of communication, the importance of teamwork, the importance of helping people. And I can say this opportunity opened me new perspective to face life's challenges, to be prepared for my career in hospitality. Thank you to those who invest in the Ys because those investments help us a lot. It's very, really impressive, YMCA is a family and it's a very nice family, and supportive family also.